Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. I have been swamped with work. So YouTube channel is fun, work is work. And I finally had a chance today. It's the weekend, so I did have a chance to get outside and go for a walk, take some pictures. The weather's been great. Spring is finally kind of showing up. Like I said, it's supposed to be about 20 degrees here for people that are watching in the States. I have no idea what that equates to. Maybe let me know in the comments, but it's going to be hot. It's going to be warm. So finally warming up. Went, took some pictures. No point of view, no POV video today on this one. I'm just going to share some photos that I took. The one thing I've learned about POVs is they're difficult. Well, they're not difficult, but they kind of almost take you out of the zone a little bit. So after the week, I kind of just needed to get out, walk around, take pictures for myself, and not have to worry about other cameras and filming and all this kind of stuff. So hopefully you still enjoy. I'm going to try and get out and do a POV tomorrow. Hopefully the weather sticks around and stays nice, but I'll maybe get out early and try and do that for everybody that does enjoy that. And thanks for the comments. I appreciate it as always. One other thing on the channel, I want to thank everybody that watches and has subscribed to the channel. Just passed 6,000 subscribers. So I have to do a more formal thank you video for that. But if you're watching this and you're subscribed, I thank you. If you're not subscribed, maybe you could subscribe down below, help the channel grow even more. It's kind of cool to see this channel grow, and thanks for everybody. I'll do another video on that. So hopefully enjoy these pictures. Watch for a walk around the city. It's the weekend, it's quiet, but it's nice to get out, kind of take a few pictures. So let me know what you think. I used a film simulation. I won't let you know what it is in this video, but I've used it in the channel before. It's kind of turned into my favorite Fujifilm film simulation recipe. I did a video on the recipe in a prior video. So if you recognize which one it is from these photos, let me know down in the comments as well. It's always kind of appreciated. And if you have a favorite recipe, there's been a couple people that have sent me some recipes to try and left in a comment. Leave me one that you use in your comment below, and I always like kind of trying new ones. So if you have your favorite that you want me to try, leave a comment below with your Fujifilm simulation recipe, and I will try it on my next XT4 on one of my upcoming videos. It's always kind of fun. So thanks for watching, everybody. Long-winded here. Enjoy the pictures, enjoy the weekend. Hopefully you get a chance to get outside and take some photographs. Enjoy your weekend.